Hello students. And the next one is onto function and into function. Right? So the first two functions are one-to-one function and many-to-one function. That two functions are pair. The same way onto function and into functions are pair. So very simple. First onto function. So first of all, we have to verify whether it is a function or not. 8 have an image, 6 have an image, 4 have an image. All the elements in the domain have an image. All the elements in the domain have only one image. Yes, 8 have only one image, 6 have only one image, 4 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. So now, what about onto function? So onto function is nothing but, and before that, the second elements are images, right? The image of 8 is 7, image of 6 is 3, image of 4 is 2. And the first elements are pre-images, right? So what is the pre-image of 7? 8. Image of 8 is 7, pre-image of 7 is 8, right? Therefore, all the elements in A are pre-images, all the elements in B are images. And the condition for onto function is all the elements in the codomain. So this one is domain, first one. Second one is codomain. All the elements in the codomain must have pre-image, right? So now check. 7 have pre-image, 3 have pre-image, 2 have pre-image. Therefore, it is onto function, right? The same way, second example. First check whether it is a function or not. 2 have an image, 4 have an image, 6 have an image. 2 have only one image, 4 have only one image, 6 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. Onto function. All the elements in the codomain, right, must have pre-image. Yes, 1 have pre-image, 2 have pre-image, 2 pre-images. That's not at all a problem, right? So therefore, it is onto function. And into function is straight opposite to onto function. If any one of the element, one or more elements in the codomain don't have pre-image, means it is into function, right? So let's check. First, let's check whether it is a function or not. 1 have an image, 2 have an image, 3 have an image. Okay. 1 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 3 have only one image. So it is a function. So first we found out it is a function. Next one is condition for into function is any one or more elements in the codomain don't have any pre-image. 4 have pre-image. The pre-image of 4 is 1. 5 have pre-image, that is 2. 6 have pre-image. 7 doesn't have any pre-image in set A. Therefore, it is onto function. So, there is a difference between onto and into. Onto means all the elements in the codomain must have pre-image. Into means any one or more elements in the codomain doesn't have any pre-image in set A. So, this is called into function. This is also same. 1 have an image, 2 have an image, 3 have an image, 4 have an image. 1 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 3 have only one image, 4 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. But in the codomain, 1 to 4 have pre-images, but 3 don't have any pre-image. Therefore, it is into function. Right? So, this is the difference between onto and into function. And we have some special cases. Before that, bijection. If the function is both one-to-one and onto, then the function is said to be bijection. This is the example for both one-to-one and onto function. What do you mean by one-to-one function? First, we will check whether it is a function or not. 1 have an image, 2 have an image, 3 have an image. 1 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 3 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. Now check if it is one-to-one function or not. Right? What is the condition for one-to-one function? All the images should be unique, should be distinct, different. Yes, 4, 5, 6. All the images are different. Therefore, there is no common image. Therefore, it is one-to-one function. What is called onto function? All the elements in the codomain must have pre-image. Yes, all the elements in the codomain have pre-image here. Therefore, this is both one-to-one and onto function. Therefore, it is bijection. If the function is both one-to-one and onto, then it is said to be bijection. Other than these functions, we have some special cases. There are constant function, identity function, real valued function. Constant function is nothing but we have the common image for all the elements in the domain. All the elements in the domain have a constant image in set B. So let's check this example. 1 have image, 2 have image, 3 have image. 1 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 3 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. But all the elements in the codomain have the same constant image in set B, right? Therefore, it is called constant function, right? And the next one is identity function. It is nothing but if set A is equal to set B, means it is identity function. If the elements are same in both the sets, here also we have 1, 2, 3, here also we have 1, 2, 3. So these are all connected here. Therefore, it is identity function. Identity means same, identical. And the last one is real valued function. That is nothing but range of f is a subset of the set of all real numbers. It is nothing but if the range is nothing but set of all the elements in the codomain which are connected, and if the range belongs to real numbers, then it is real valued function, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, all the numbers are real numbers, right? Real number consists of all the rational number, irrational number, fractions, natural number, whole number, all the numbers. Therefore, all the functions mostly are real valued function. Real valued function is nothing but if the range, so this is range. So in this example, 1, 2, 3 are range. All the elements 1, 2, 3 are real numbers. Therefore, it is real valued function, right? So this is the example for real valued function. So these are the introductions of exercise 1.4. Thank you.